Hello all the English learners, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope guys that you must be doing great in your life and also you must be practicing your English speaking on right track in great way without any procrastination, without any delay. So with this beautiful hope, let's get into the video today. And today guys, in this video I'm gonna share something about my English, about my feeling, and also about some of your questions that you have already put up in my comment box through my channel. So definitely my dear friends, in this video I will just answer your question, and I will also just clear your some of confusion regarding my conversation session and regarding me. Okay, so guys, before sharing something about all these things, I want to let you know about this beautiful evening something. So guys, as you know that nowadays means we are getting so much harsh and so much heat throughout the day, and sometimes we are also getting it so hard, so daunting task to bear this harsh and scorching weather, scorching sunshine throughout the day. But in evening automatically it's becoming fantastic, as right now you can see the very beautiful weather and also the beautiful cloud in the sky like this. So I'm just also feeling so much happy and excited to make this video by walking on the terrace like this, because it's a fantastic evening and also fantabulous weather right now. So I'm just getting very much relief in the evening, and not only me guys, means most of the people are getting relief in the evening time. So my friends, actually I have got someone's comment like some of my friends want to have a session, means conversation session with me. So I want to say something about this, as right now I'm not able to have any session. So you know guys, some of my friend also asked, like earlier I was mostly uploading the video related to conversation session, but nowadays I am just uploading most of the video related to like this type of random vlog video, and sometimes something like this. So I'm gonna just spill the bean about it, like why I'm not able to upload conversational video, just because ever since the Skype app has been shut down, I'm not having session. You know why guys? Because if I want, I can take session, I can have session through team application, but yes, through team application we are not able to record the session and to upload on our channel. So please my dear friend, don't think about me like I'm just only, I was earlier having session only for uploading videos on my channel like this, so I'm only thinking about my channel. Nothing like that my dear friend, please don't think like that. And if you want to know like nowadays why I'm not using this team application, why I'm not having session with anyone, so there's a very big and genuine reason behind it. You know guys, after getting my summer vacation, I was also just thinking a lot, I was dreaming a lot to do with for my English, and to enhance, to polish my English in better way, but I couldn't do anything that I decided to do exactly. You know why? Just because I was just completely indulged in some other work. Like you know guys, I was just busy in stitching some of clothes of my relatives, and due to that reason I was not able to have session. And sometime even I think to have session through team application and to practice my English speaking, but you know guys, there's a big problem like time management. Means just throughout the day, usually I just I am busy in stitching, and after that I'm just getting free time in evening, and in evening I have to just go to kitchen and do my other household like kitchen work. So after just managing kitchen, but there's always this thought is just clicking my mind, like yes, after just completing this work I will just have session. I will just have at least audio session, but I just kept thinking only, but I couldn't have any session. And some of my friends who were asking this question, like earlier, how I was able to have session. So earlier I was having session through Skype application, and after just having session I was just easily uploading my video on my channel. So I was just busy in that, and in this way I was just practicing my English also. So I was happy and satisfied also. So these all are the reason that why nowadays I'm not able to have sessions as I'm making this video right now. So also, as I mentioned before starting the video, that I will share something about my feeling. So yes, I'm here to say something about my feeling, because I also got some of comments from my new viewers and maybe subscribers that, ma'am, you are speaking good English, and some also some comment like, sister, your English speaking is awesome. So from where did you learn speaking English, and how did you learn? So my dear and lovely friend, if you are thinking that my English is awesome and good, so thank you so much wholeheartedly for that. But yes, I just learned English speaking, means whatever I learned regarding speaking, so I learned by myself without spending a single penny, and also by using social media. So I want to say one thing to each and everyone, that if you also literally want to learn something, not only about English, so you can learn easily by using social media. So if you are having your mobile phone in your hand, so it means you are having the entire world, not world guys, entire universe in your hand. But yes, for this, if you literally want to speak English fluently, and if you are literally passionate, so you have to be passionate, you have to keep burning desire. So if you keep the burning desire in yourself to learn anything, so definitely you will learn, and no one is going to stop you. If you are having this burning desire inside you, so definitely you can also learn and speak English, not like me, even better than me. If you are thinking that I am good, so you can be better than me, you can be the best, okay? But you have to be stubborn, you have to be crazy about English, okay? And you have to also just enjoy the process of your English learning, okay? Don't overwhelm your mind. Whatever you are doing, just do little bit, not a lot, but yes, enjoy. Always just try to enjoy it. Today also in this video I want to share something about my feeling, and literally this is very fantastic and stupendous feeling. So some of the people and also some of my relatives, even friend, sometimes they are just asking me like, you must be earning good money from your YouTube channel. Literally guys, I'm not earning any money from my channel, but still, you know, I'm so much happy and excited, over the moon, like on cloud 9 about my channel. Like yes, I have just created my channel, and when I started learning English, so that time it never occurred in me like, yes, in future I will just open channel and I will be learning English like this. No, nothing like that was just even happened with me. But yes, I can say one thing here, I can claim one thing here, that even if I'm not earning a single penny from my channel, but still, why I'm happy, why I'm excited, enthusiastic, why I'm ardent, avid about my channel, just because I am earning more precious than money. Money is nothing in front of my eyes. Whatever I am just getting from my channel, and that is respect, and that is name, fame. Yes guys, I can say that I am earning name and fame. Means before creating my channel, you know, all the people from my surrounding only, they were knowing about me. But after just creating channel, opening my channel, many more people just got to know about me. Like yes, there is one person named Sapna Raghuvanshi also in this world. So like this is the great feeling inside me. At least 2000 subscriber I'm having right now, so at least 2000 extra people are knowing about me. Like yes, there is a woman named Sapna Raghuvanshi is also existing in this world. So this is the awesome feeling inside me. That's why, you know, guys, sometimes most of my friends and relatives, they are just confused by observing my this happiness. They are thinking like, yes, I must be earning. But yes, literally and honestly, I'm saying, guys, like whatever I'm earning from my channel, that is name, fame, and confidence, and also lots of things, respect and appreciation, motivation, inspiration. So these all things are more precious than money for me. And literally these words and these sentences are coming from inside the heart, inside my heart. Okay, so my dear and lovely audience, so if you also want to speak English, so why I shared my journey here, only to get you inspired by this. And I'm also feeling so much sorry, like some of my viewers and some of my friends, I think they are just messaging me through that team application, but I'm not able to respond you. So please, my dear friends, just forgive me for that. But very soon I will be presenting over there, like on team application, because my school is going to be opened. And after when my school will open, I will definitely just start having session. So guys, you know why I'm shocked? Because I'm seeing something yellow thing in the cloud. So what is this? Oh my god, guys, you can see this cloud. It's just literally getting me shocked. So looking awesome, yeah. Oh my god, guys, you know, I have never ever seen mountain in real in my life, because my life and my journey, my traveling, all these things are always just limited. But this beautiful seal, this beautiful cloud, and you can see the tower also. So this is the awesome. And I'm just right now I don't feel like to stop this video. I feel like to speak English, just I feel like to continue my English practice like this. So you know why, guys? Just because of this beautiful weather and this cloud, I think it's looking just like mountain, the real mountain. Oh my god, it's so awesome. So my dear, and someone is calling me. So my dear and lovely audience, now let me say bye, because I have big fish to fry. So I know that you must be also having big fish to fry. So just go and fry your fish. No, dear friends, don't fry fish, because this is not good thing. So bye bye, take care.